Okay, today we're going to be installing our new retractable hose reel set from Vego. It's 130 feet and it comes with a few attachments. It comes with a quick disconnect and a mounting bracket, and again 130 feet reel, and the hose looks pretty good. So let's get to it and we'll see how she goes. So this is the rear of the high tunnel. I think this is where I'm gonna mount it. It's about the only place I think I have any room, and it's got a fairly large profile to it. I don't know what the dimensions are, but it's about it sticks out about 2 feet. So I think I'll go ahead and mount it down here somewhere and give it a try and see how it works. Okay, I've got the bracket mounted and it's pretty sturdy. As you can see, it can support quite a bit of weight. I don't know what the actual hose reel weighs, but it's probably about at least 20 pounds. So it's pretty heavy. So I can stand on this, and I weigh about 230 pounds. So it'll hold. Okay, it's mounted. You can see I've positioned it. It'll swivel around. So I positioned it where it would fold back out of the way of my door, and it comes with a quick disconnect right there for the spigot end, the faucet end, if you so desire to use. And it also comes with one that you screw onto the end of your hose with an on-off valve, and it's got 2 nozzles. It's got this one here. It's got, I think, from pointy to a spray. We'll test it here in a minute. And this one, you're more conventional. I guess everybody's pretty familiar with this one. So let's try them out. Okay, we'll give it a try. So we got this one. It's got the quick disconnect. It's kind of like a pneumatic air hose. You just pull back here to open up on the collar, and then you take your nozzle, stick it in, and then you can push back up, and you can turn it clockwise to lock it, so it locks in place. All right, so the water's actually been on, the faucet's been on the whole time. I just showed you that. So it's got an on-off valve right here. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. All right. And then the faucet also has on-off right here. So let's give it a whirl and see if it's spraying. Hey, water. Excellent. That'll work the air out. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'll do the unreeling. All right, so there it is, folded back out of the way, and it does fold out of the way pretty good. I'm surprised. I could probably use it to put some more of my junk on top. But let's try the unreeling. It's got a ball attached right here, so you can grab onto it when you pull. Oh yeah, it unpulls real easy. Real nice. Very easy. Okay, so I'm down at the other end of the tunnel, and I've got the tunnel's about 96 feet long, so I've got unreeled the entire 130 feet all the way, and I didn't have any problems with kinks, so it seemed to roll out nice and straight without curling. And the rubber of the hose is, I don't know what kind of, it's good. It seems to be a good quality, and I don't know the name of this type of rubber, but I've worked with it before, and it's less prone to stiffening up when it's cold. You know, a cold hose can be a real pain to work with. So okay, so and then I've got this attachment on, which is pretty cool. I've been kind of fooling around with it. Comes with a little teeny stream, back to a mast, and then it'll go to, you know, a pretty good jet. Nice jet of water, so pretty cool. All right, so the hose works really well. Not prone to kinking at all. I can tell it's fairly temperature proof. Again, you know, a cold hose is always prone to kink, and that's a hassle. You know, it's a hassle dragging a hose around, period. But this looks like it's going to make it a little easier for me. And the case is nice. It's tough plastic. And so let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and roll it back up. There you go. And this is all the 130 feet. And they say don't just let it go on its own, you know, you kind of put a little tension on it. Whoop. Almost rolled a kink up in there. Oh man. Yeah, this is not easy one-handed. There it is. Cool. That wasn't bad. I was just using one hand. And then fold it off. Nice. I think I like it.